and they say yes, they validate your idea. Then you throw your idea to a mentor group and they also validate that idea. Yes, they encourage you to go ahead. Then idea will bring in the money. Understand, idea is important because the world is changing. Things are changing. Every aspect of society is changing. There are people coming from the hinterlands, from the rural parts of India and trying to get accustomed to Bombay's or Pune's lifestyle. They are changing. So in the change, we are living in what is known as the fifth wave of economics. You have to be, you should.
I've got 33 startups in my portfolio and all have approached me, by the way. I didn't go out and I just said on LinkedIn one day, boss, we promote startups, I got 33 startups. That's because my LinkedIn profile is very strong. Again, the importance of being networking. Okay. Second thing is this guy, he said that, sir, I've started a privacy focused version of Facebook. So he started his startup in his 4th year of engineering. And he is getting the app developed. He himself is a developer, but he is getting help of his cousin and some other guys, and he is launching the app this month. Okay, and his app has been, he reached out to some Red Hat guys, and Red Hat liked it.
Apart from the building, I networked in Pune, and you will not believe it, each and every corporate has given me all the equipment and diagnostics free. So from a 2.5 crore mammography machine to tomosynthesis to everything else has been given to me completely free because of the quality of work that's happening. And then the trust is there that you return what comes to you.